Hello, dear listeners. You're welcome to FX Pre. This is the platform where we share knowledge about things going on around us. So, this lesson today, we want to look at how to catch spikes correctly. And this can be done only if the tips and instructions on how to do this is followed. That is when we have success in using this particular strategy. So, the first thing is familiarizing you with the things to know. This particular strategy is okay on M1 time frame, that is 1 minute time frame. Not only that, but also zoom level 3 for the charts. As you can see, normally as it is, that is the zoom level for it. And also the indicator to use. It is only one indicator, and that is RSI. All right. So let me show you the setup for the indicator. You tap F here, as you can see. When you tap it, imagine or let's assume that you don't have any setup there already. This is where you go. F on the main chart. When you tap it, it will give you indicators. So from the indicators, you scroll down until you have uh, RSI, Relative Strength Index. Then you tap it. When you tap it, it brings you to this particular page. So you have the setup here, period 6, apply to close, style 2 pixel, and color black or whichever color you want. Then the levels, we have 95, that is crash zone. That is when trend moves, when it touches level 95, it's giving the signal to what? To crash. So you enter your trade from there. Meanwhile, sometimes we have some issues that some people say when the thing must have touched that level, they still have some candles, even if it's going to crash or not even crashing at all. The reason for that is before you enter a trade or you place your order, you need to confirm what is the trend of that particular instrument, boom, crash, whichever 500 or 1000. You need to confirm the trend first. When you confirm the trend and you are sure of the trend, that is when you enter and you have success in catching the spike or the crash. I hope this is clear. So once you confirm, then you place your order at 95 and not even far after that, the crash will be caught. And level 50 is weight level, and level 10, that is for boom. That is, the boom is on its way downward. When it touches level 10, after you must have confirmed the trend, then you place your order there and boom, it spikes. I hope this is clear. All right. So the style is 1 pixel and any color of your choice. When you are done doing that, you go to arrow back, then you click on done. Done. So you have the setup here, as you can see. That is the setup on the screen. So after that, let's look at the tips, as I said earlier. So let's look at the first one here. You will see that it touches. Sometimes you will believe that the trend has touched the level, but it is fake. How will you know it's fake? Just move your screen. If it touches, it will glue to the line. As you can see now, this is not moving. But if it is the one that is fake, it will touch it initially at the beginning, but when you move the screen, that thing what shifts. That is fake signal. So this one is an instance. You can see right from here. That's where you enter the trade, which is tantamount to picking your trade right from, picking your trade right from here. So you have like a 7, 8 candles, then you have the crash. And this is very important. After you must have confirmed that the trend is actually going to where you believe it's going. When you have a crash in a crash or a spike in a long trend like this, expect another one. Then when you are expecting another one, you count 3 to 4 candles. If you don't see it, close with profits. Don't allow it to go until it covers your profit again. I hope this is clear. So that is that. So you have the crash there 2 times, then you take your profits. Take your profits there. Let's look for one more before we go to another pair. This is crash 500. The same thing is applicable to crash 1000. If I take crash one, boom 1000 or 500, the same thing is applicable to the two instruments. We have another one here. You can see I'm trying to move it, whether this one will move, but it sticks to the level. Just move your phone to the center. If it is fake, it's going to shift. But if it is authentic, it will stick to the line. So that is point 95 now, and we have the crash there. So immediately that touches the line, you quickly enter your trade. Then you catch that. That is one. Remember what I said earlier. This is 3 candles, it comes. And this is 1, 2, 3, 4. This is 5 candles. Another one. This is 4. Another one. So you wait for 3 to 4 candles. If you don't see it, close with profit. That is that. Now let's go to boom. Go to boom 500. Okay. See money. This is serious money. Look at right from level 10. You see, I'm moving it and it's still at least remaining small. So look at the points there. As you can see, look at lots of see lots of you can see at least this should be around 20 something dollar, if I'm not mistaken, 20 to 40 as it is. So that is that. Let's look further. Remember what I said, it's applicable to this one is level even more than, and this is continual. Actually, you enter it there, you catch the first one, the second one, the third one. I hope you can see that. But this is continuation of this, even from here. Yes, just continue. In this particular area, it's very, very many. So catch it as much as possible. You have it, look at $20 at a time. Then you can't afford to wait until this happens. You can close with profit, and when you see that, it comes again, but it doesn't touch it, as you can see. So it is not everything that you go for. You can't afford to lose your money. So that is just it. This another one. This you must have entered from this first one. So a little spike there, then 2 candles and piam up there. One more, see money. This is it. The first one, it comes again, then this bigger candle, then here it touches here. If you can endure it, then it comes to this and we have the spike. Meanwhile, always consider your account size when you go for spikes catching, because easily you can lose a lot of money. So you look at your account size and the lots. Most importantly, risk management. You should know how to manage that. If you join my WhatsApp group or Telegram, I usually post tips on how to go about successful trading. So you see it uh, in the description. You see it there. My WhatsApp, my Telegram. You see it there. My Facebook, my IG. You see the information there, so you can join if you wish. We have tips and also free signals being sent there. And if you want lots of successful trades or signals, you can join our paid channel as well. People make 3 times of their subscription in that particular day. So this is how far we can go in this video today. And I say to your success, FX free. Enjoy your trade.